Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to extract data from multiple PDF files and save the extracted data to Excel spreadsheet using PDF.co and Make. We provide a link of the full tutorial in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more information. We will use a set of sample PDF files stored in Google Drive to extract specific data and then store it in an Excel file. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Make account and click on the Create a New Scenario button. Next, search and select the Google Drive app. And choose the Watch Files in folder to trigger when a new file is created or modified in a selected folder. Let's set up the Google Drive configuration. First, connect your Google Drive account to Make by following the prompts in the app. Next, select by created time as the trigger for the automation in the Watch Files section. Then select the drive where the folder you want to fetch is located. And choose the folder you want to watch in your Google Drive account. Lastly, enter the maximum number of results you want to work with during each execution cycle. After setting up the configuration, you can run the scenario to fetch the folder containing the set of PDF files in your Google Drive account. The scenario runs successfully and detects a new file to trigger the automation to parse the set of PDF files and save the extracted data to an Excel file. Now let's add the Iterator tool to iterate over data structures, allowing you to perform operations on each element in a collection. Under the Flow control in the Array section, select the Web Content link from Google Drive. In this step, let's add the Set Variable tool to automate tasks to store and process data during runtime. Let's set up the variable tools. First, enter a name for your variable that describes its purpose or value. Next, specify the duration for which the variable will exist in memory. Then input the desired value to the variable using the Iterator response value. After you've set up the variable, execute the scenario to observe the outcome. Once the scenario runs successfully, add another module to parse data from the PDF files. Now let's add the PDF.co app to the workflow. And choose the Parse a Document module to parse data from multiple PDF files. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. First, connect your PDF.co account to Make by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Next, select the Import a File from URL option. Then select the variable name containing the URL of the PDF files. Now add the template ID that contains the parsed data. You can create a template ID using the PDF.co document parser template editor. Since we're done setting up the PDF.co configuration, let's run the scenario to extract the parsed data value from the PDF files. The parsed data value from the PDF files has been processed successfully. Now let's move on to saving the parsed data value to an Excel file. In this step, let's add the Microsoft Excel 365 app. And choose the Add a Worksheet row option to add data or information to a specific row in a worksheet. Let's set up the configuration. First, connect your Microsoft account to Make to grant access. Next, choose a method for accessing the spreadsheet. Then select My Drive as the location for OneDrive. And enter the workbook and worksheet names where you want to add the parsed data value. Now specify the type of value that will be entered in the Excel spreadsheet. Lastly, map the parsed data value to the corresponding row in your Excel spreadsheet. Now let's execute the scenario to save the parsed data value extracted from the PDF files to an Excel file. The parsed data value extracted from multiple PDF files has been successfully saved to the Excel file. Now let's verify the extracted data by checking the Excel file. Here's the parsed data value that has been successfully saved to an Excel file. We have a wide range of available tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.